PAYG AI has just been released and it's quickly making waves in the AI software market. If you're looking for a way to make your work smarter, faster, and more efficient, this is the software you need to know about. In this review, we'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about PAYG AI before you decide whether it's the best fit for you. Stay with me till the end, as I'll also share some powerful ways you can get started with it for free. First off, PAYG AI stands for Pay-as-you-go Artificial Intelligence, a game changer for anyone who needs AI tools but doesn't want to commit to a pricey subscription plan. Unlike most AI services, PAYG lets you pay only for what you use, making it a great choice for freelancers, small businesses, and anyone on a budget. This model is a massive advantage, especially for those just starting out with AI tools. One of the standout features of PAYG AI is its accessibility. The interface is user-friendly, even if you've never used AI software before. It's designed to help you get started immediately with minimal setup. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it, and that's a huge benefit for those new to the world of artificial intelligence. It offers an intuitive dashboard where you can manage your projects, track usage, and scale your needs up or down as required. Now let's talk about the versatility of PAYG AI. It supports a variety of use cases, from content creation to data analysis and beyond. Whether you're writing blog posts, generating product descriptions, or analyzing customer data, this software has the tools to help you streamline your tasks. It also integrates easily with other platforms, making it a perfect addition to your existing tech stack. What's also impressive is the speed of PAYG AI. It processes data incredibly quickly, helping you save valuable time on tasks that might otherwise take hours or even days to complete manually. Whether you're working with large sets of data or generating marketing copy in seconds, the speed and efficiency of this tool make it a game changer for busy professionals. But it's not just about the features. PAYG AI is also built with security in mind. You can trust that your data is safe with their robust encryption methods. The platform is compliant with industry standards, giving you peace of mind as you integrate AI into your workflow. This is crucial when dealing with sensitive client information or proprietary business data. Another aspect that sets PAYG AI apart is its scalability. As your needs grow, so can the software. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large corporation, PAYG allows you to scale up your AI usage without having to worry about outgrowing the system. The pricing model ensures you're only paying for what you use, which means you can adapt as your business grows. Now, what about customer support? PAYG AI excels in this area too. Their support team is responsive and knowledgeable, offering timely assistance when you need it most. Whether you need help with troubleshooting or guidance on using a feature, PAYG AI support is there to ensure you have a smooth experience. If you're wondering whether PAYG AI is right for you, here's the bottom line. This software gives you the power of artificial intelligence without the upfront cost and complexity. It's perfect for anyone looking to dive into AI without making a long-term commitment or paying for features they won't use. You can try PAYG AI for free through the first link in the description below, so there's no risk in exploring what it has to offer. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've rounded up my recommended ones in the description as well, which you can try out at no cost. If you're looking for the best AI software to streamline your work and take your productivity to the next level, PAYG AI is definitely worth considering. So give it a shot and let me know your thoughts in the comments.